Wondering what to do with your 400 square meter lot here at V at Southern Plains? Well, watch this. We're back at it with more real estate contents, and for today's video, on our 4th episode, we're gonna feature a 2-story house and lot here at V, and it's gonna be very premium, luxurious, and of course, spacious. So guys, samahan nyo akong itour natin ang Stella Villas. So bago natin pasukin ang Stella Grand Villas, of course, I have to feature this covered carport. So up to 3 cars ang kasya dito. You don't have to worry about your cars getting sun rays or mainitan, no? Kasi we have covered parking space. Wow, another amazing house. So receiving area, medyo mas private muna siya, hindi pa agad-agad nakikita yung buong like living room and dining area. So tara, check muna natin tong living room. Ang ganda ng living room nila kasi nakapwesto siya malapit dun sa indoor garden natin. Na actually, it's still accessible kasi itong floor-to-ceiling window or like partition na to, pwede siyang buksan all throughout. So, yeah, pwede natin paltan yung mga plants natin dyan. And upon turnover, wala talaga siya actually plants. Pwede nyo siyang gawing koi pond. So, andito na tayo sa inaabangan ng lahat. Of course, our amazing master's bedroom. So, grabe guys. Ang laki niya talaga and napakaaliwalas given that we have floor-to-ceiling glass windows or glass partition ba ang tawag natin dito. And nandito, since may view nga tayo ng frontage natin, andito na din ang ating maliit na working space. So, if ever man na gusto nyo magbasa o kaya habol ng workload o kaya mag-diary, mag-journal, pwede tayo dito. And ang theme ng interior design ata ng master's bedroom natin is more on blue and yellow. Kaya very maaliwalas, very young ang feels niya. And of course, ang favorite part ko lagi sa mga master's bedroom is our walk-in closet. So, grabe, no? So, kung papapiliin ako sa ang side bang mas malaki, so I feel na mas ma-accommodate nito yung mga gamit naming mga babae since we really have a lot of shoes and bags, no? Madami tayong storage for that. So, let's open kung ano ba itsura ng cabinets natin here. So, madami tayong clothing racks, of course, and lalagyanan ng shoes and bags. So, madami pang options. And kasama na din to guys sa turnover ng unit ng Stella model house natin. Of course, di ba? Napakaganda pag mas madami tayong storage. And syempre, our toilet and bath. So, dito meron tayong his and hers na sink. So, it's very spacious for our shower and sink. And sakto siya, paglabas mo ng toilet and bath. Pagkatapos mo maligo, andito na agad yung walk-in closet natin and dire-diretso. Maganda yung flow actually ng bedroom na to, and it's really very much spacious. So while we are on our way to our kitchen, since may floor-to-ceiling windows din tayo or glass partition na pwede din buksan just like dun sa other side, no? Meron tayong dyan view of our garden. Meron din tayong pwedeng couch dyan. And if I were to choose kung anong gagawin dun sa area na yon na malaki pa rin, of course, I would put a pool. So, ang dami ko na nasabi about sa outside garden natin. So, discretion nyo na lang kung anong gusto nyong gawin. So, it's just an idea that I could give or suggest you. So, yan, nandito na tayo sa favorite natin, kitchen area. So, isa din to sa mga favorite part naman ng mga momshies natin dyan na mahilig mag-cook o kahit sino namang family member natin na mahilig magluto for our family. So, ang kagandahan talaga dito is that habang nagpa-prepare ka ng dinner or lunch or even breakfast is meron kang view ng family room and of course the dining area. So, parang hindi tayo mawawala sa chikahan. So, makikita pa rin natin kung ano yung mga activities na ginagawa ng ating families or even guests kahit nagluluto tayo. So, dito naman sa kitchen area, of course, meron pa rin tayong indoor garden dito for natural light and ventilation na hanggang second floor, makikita pa rin tong side na to. So, maganda, may touch pa rin. Parang kahit saan ka tumingin, may touch pa rin of greenery and plants. Then here, we also have our powder room. So, tara, punta naman tayo sa ating laundry area, which is just right over here. Sa mapapansin nyo, sa dalawang units na pinasok na natin, yung Ivy and of course yung Sage, laging katabi ng staircase natin yung storage room. So, ito yung storage room. Medyo mas malaki siya kasi connecting pa siya dito sa side na to. So, dito katabi ng storage room naman is our laundry room. So, ang ganda. Gusto nyo yon? Sa laundry room nyo, meron pang sopa. So, habang inaantay nyo matapos yung mga labahin nyo, pwede muna kayo dito tumambay. Of course, our helpers, pwede muna dito mag-relax habang nag-aantay tayo matapos ang ating laundry. And if ever man na may guest tayo dyan, andito naman yung maid's quarter or our helper's quarter. Then, pagpasok nyo dito, even our helper has their own indoor garden. Then, pagpasok natin sa indoor garden natin na to, andito, ayan. Andito naman, lalabas ka dito, andyan yung toilet and bath naman nila. So, they also have this space for their smoking station o kaya gusto nila maglagay dyan ng coffee nook ng sarili nila para may private area din sila, of course. So, from the dining area, papunta na tayo sa second floor. May glass partition siya. Syempre, para hindi naman lumabas or masyadong malaki yung kailangan natin i-air-condition na space. So, Meralco or electricity saving pa rin siya. Then, ito na nga, paakyat na tayo sa ating second floor. And kung mapapansin nyo, sa walls natin, meron tayong mga lighting dyan na really gives off a premium vibe. So, very minimalist lang din yung mga lighting fixtures natin dito. And we're finally here sa ating very much comfy and alfresco common area sa second floor. Grabe, ang laki lang niya. And parang resort vibes na rin talaga. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-check-in or even pumunta sa ibang bansa para makapag-unwind ka. Kasi dito pa lang, sa second floor ng bahay mo, marerelax ka na. So, papasukin naman natin ngayon our second bedroom besides, of course, the maid's room that I have shown you earlier. And na-mention ko na just recently yung bawat storage room is katabi siya ng staircase natin. And katabi ng staircase or ng storage room is our second bedroom for this house. So, I think I really love the vibes here because pink siya, of course. Ang napakaganda. And still, meron pa rin siyang floor-to-ceiling window dito sa may kabilang side. Para meron pa rin siyang access to natural light and ventilation. So, pwede talaga kayong maglagay dyan sa may garden area nyo ng malaking puno o kaya ng waterfall, draping, para relaxing din sa view. And meron din tayong spacious na storage area for our cabinets. And dahil nga, bawat room talaga sa bahay na ito ay may sariling toilet and bath. And ewan ko lang kung napapansin nyo sa mga videos, talaga mataas yung ceiling. Kasi I'm actually 5'1" in height. Then, dahil naka-heels ako, I think 5'4" na ako. So, mapapansin nyo, mataas talaga. So, if you are like a basketball player, or an athlete, or matangkad talaga kayo, okay talaga yung design ng house na to kasi hindi kayo mahihirapan in terms of floor-to-ceiling height. Then, this is our second room. Ito naman, hindi nila ginawang bedroom. Ginawa nilang office space. Of course, if ever man na kailangan talaga natin ng room na dedicated for our studies or for our office, mag-deep dive sa pagka-calligraphy. Kasi parang perfect dito mag-practice ng calligraphy or even ng mga journal. Or meron kayong tutor or gusto nyo dito mag-homeschool, pwede dito. And gaya ng sabi ko just recently or just earlier, meron din tong sariling toilet and bath. So, tara sa next room. The next room is also, hindi din siya ginawang bedroom, but a playroom or an art room. So, ayan, for creative minds. So, mahilig din ba kayo mag-paint? So, ang ganda nito kasi for our kids na mahilig sa arts naman, arts and crafts, yun ang ginawa naman nilang designation for this room. And of course, may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. So, lahat ng toilet and bath nila dito, guys, is magkaka-size lang except sa toilet and bath ng master's bedroom natin. So, yeah, punta naman tayo sa next and finally, the last room in this house. At for sure, magugustuhan nyo yun. So, bago tayo pumunta sa last but not the least, our special room is dito nila nilagay yung bar area nila. Dahil nga, meron tayong open view deck or open family room dito sa taas, no? Perfect to na maglagay dito tayo ng bar para dito tayo sa kabilang side or sa may balcony magpa-party-party. And ito na nga, ito na yung last room. Ito actually isa sa mga favorite ko, ang spa room. Kasi marerelax ka after mo ma-hangover sa kakainom, no? So, gaano ka luxurious or premium na may sarili kang spa room sa bahay mo. Of course, you have the luxury if ever i-convert nyo to into a bed space or a bedroom, and meron din tong sariling toilet and bath. So, dito sa floor na to, guys, kinonvert nila yung 3 rooms into a function rooms. Isang spa room, isang arts room, and isang office room. But these 3 rooms could be converted into a bedroom if madami tayong family members. So, just to give you an idea kung paano ba natin ma-exhaust or ma-maximize yung spaces or rooms natin dito sa bahay. And actually, guys, hindi naman necessarily na kailangan 4 rooms yung ipalagay nyo dito. It's entirely up to you kung paano nyo siya i-customize. So, ayan, mahulog na ako. So, yeah, punta naman tayo sa may balcony. So, we're here sa unang balcony ng second floor, which is just right at the opposite side of the bar, no? Para iaabot na lang sa atin dito yung drinks. If I were to do it, pwede nyo din tong i-convert as your workout station, workout space, or in outdoor gym, no? If maglalagay kayo dito ng gym equipments, kasi napakalaki nitong balcony na to, ang daming pwedeng gawin. O kaya maglagay kayo ng portable bathtub or portable jacuzzi. Ang daming pwedeng ideas kung paano natin to i-maximize. And if you're someone that is a yoga enthusiast, so, maganda dito talaga mag-stretching in the morning. And hindi lang ito ang balcony ng bahay na to. Meron pa silang isang balcony for you to explore. So, papunta na tayo on our second balcony, which is also connecting to our family area or common area in the second floor. So, makikita nyo, pahaba naman to. Kasi yung kaninang balcony natin is medyo pa-square siya. Ito naman pahaba. If ever man, maganda pa rin tong i-feature tong balcony to or i-maximize to as your yoga space, no? Bakit parang yoga na lang lagi yung sinasuggest ko? But, ayun, maganda siyang i-maximize the space for tanning din. Kayo bahala. I think this is just a perfect place para makapag-accommodate pa tayo ng mas madaming guests, of course, and for events na hindi talaga tayo mauubusan ng area to really accommodate people. So just a quick recap of this house tour, no? This sits on a 409 square meter land or lot size. Then we have a total covered area of 451.97 square meters and external floor area of 110.37 square meters, and other areas would be 168.56 square meters with a total living area of 730.9 square meters. Grabe guys, ganito nyo pwedeng i-maximize yung space. And of course, you also have that luxury or freedom if ever gusto nyo lang bungalow type siya or you would want to have a 2-story house. And ito guys, pwede nyo to i-convert into a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, up to 7 to 9 bedrooms. So guys, really customizable ang bawat feature ng bahay na to. Pero this is just like the base model of it. Then of course, ang interested ang lahat, Gwen, magkano ba yan? Yan mismong bahay na tinur mo kami. Magkano ba yan? Kasi interested na akong bilhin yan. Magkano ba ang kailangan kong ibayad? So of course, it's only 65,920,380.68 pesos. I really think it's worth the price. You're getting the value that you have given. I think it's really modernized and timeless yung design. And of course, yung layout din is strategically planned. So, if ever man na iso-spot cash nyo to, guys, you would have 9% discount. So, for 100% na spot cash, we have 9% discount, and on top of that, you could also have additional discounts depending on the promo. Kung kailan nyo man to ma-view or mapanood tong video na to, then for spot 30%, meron ba yung discount? Of course, meron pa rin discount na 5%. And for 20% spot, we have 3% discount. And Gwen, kung wala naman akong planong mag-spot pero I could pay in cash, meron ba kayong deferred cash payment scheme? Yes, of course, we have deferred cash payment scheme na up to 2 years to pay or 1 year to pay. So, kayo na bahala kung up to 12 months or 24 months. So, for 12 months deferred cash, we have 7% discount. And for 24 months na deferred cash, we have 5% discount. And if you are planning to loan this naman kay bank, pwede din naman basta down payment lang tayo ng 30% or 20%. So, it's stretched up to 24 months. So, you could decide kung hanggang 12 months lang ba or 24 months. Kayo talaga ang may freedom. Kasi kung ano man yung i-decide nyo na feature ng houses na i-add nyo, depende yun sa capacity or really preference nyo, kahit sa payment scheme. So, madami tayong pwedeng options. We are flexible in terms of payment terms, in terms of layout, in terms of number of bedrooms. Talaga, madami tayong pwedeng pagpilian. So, we have options, options, options. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed touring you around. If you want to know more about this project, you can message me on WhatsApp, Viber, and even on iMessage at +63 919 098 4918. And follow me on all of my socials at Gwen C Properties on TikTok, Instagram, and even on Facebook. Since you're already here, might as well like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be more updated on our latest videos because guys, I'll see you there. Again guys, this is Gwen C, your trusted Gen Z realtor here in the South.